Okay. This is inside of this museum. Museum. Uy. Ang galing mo. Yan. Ayan ang kangaroo. Tignan natin ang kangaroo. Ganyan na itsura ng kangaroo. May koala bear. Ayun. Ay, hindi. Ewan ko kung koala bear yan. Ay, ayan o, barko. Ayan o, ang ganda. Wow. Ayan o. Ang ganda niya o. Ang ganda. Ay, yung pa o. Doon pa o. Wow. Doon o. Ay, doon. Ayun o, fishing boat. Ito. Ito din. What is that called, Ken? What is that?
I don't know, it's just a sailing boat for
Yeah,
sailing
but
boat.
that is a historic boat, di ba?
Sailing boat.
Ay, may nakalagay dito pala.
Maybe they're using it for fishing also.
Australia's other first fleet. Australia, last island in Southeast Asia. Above Pacific Canoe.
This is a dingo.
Indonesian visit since 1900.
This is a dingo. This is a bush dog living in the bush.
Oh, that is so scary.
Wild dog.
Oh, wow. Tapos ito. Uy, baon ng nyug. Baon ng nyug, pinakinis nila.
What is that?
Baon ng nyug. That is a coconut. This one. Uy, mayroon ganito sa Pilipinas. You know what? When I was young, my dad, they making like this.
Really?
Made
Your
by, made by, what is that called?
Wood.
Yeah, of the coconut.
Oh, yeah.
Ganda mga guys. Wow. Dito, ito yun, dito. Ito yung barko. Ito yung baroto. Baroto tawag ko dito, baroto eh. Uy, ang ganda. Ayan oh. Historic Museum. Yun pa oh, barko. What is that one?
That one is
Boat.
a purling lugger.
That one?
Yeah.
It's a boat, di
It's
ba?
a boat, but it's called a purling lugger.
Why they put it there? They preserve it?
No, they just put it up there because it's a bit big and they just want to put it somewhere, so they put it there. But it's really a purling boat.
Oh yeah.
This is used up north at Broome, and the divers are Malaysians, Filipinos, all sorts of divers.
Oh yeah, the same like that.
That's right, in those diving suit.
Oh, okay. Diving suit, that is a diver. We walk here, Ken. Oh, wow. Ito oh, fishing boat, Torya. Ang daming mga baroto dito, mga guys. Mga baroto. Oh, ayun pa. Oh, ayun pa doon. Mga baroto. Ang ganda talaga dito. Museum. Maritime. The Maritime Museum. This is called the Maritime Museum. Inside of the Maritime Museum. Uy! Ang ganda ng makinang pantahi, oh. Siguro antik na yan. Antik. Doria. Hi, Mama Mary. How are you, Mama Mary? Uy, ang ganda ng kasuotan. Ang ganda talaga ng mga kasuotan nung unang panahon. Wow. Uy, pisi. Pisi. Oh, wow. Ito yung suot ng anong tawag na eh? Sea Lines 1985. I am only 1 year old. Aha. Ayan. Uy, may alimasa. Gayon, oh. Historic museum. Yan. Okay. Professionals fishermen's license since 1944 PH. This one. Fisheries. Oh, this is the fisheries. Fisheries.
Fisheries.
Uy, ang ganda nito, oh. Ayun, ang ganda. Ito pala yung ito pala yung fishing boat. Ayan, oh. Ayan, may malaking isda. Wow. You know what, in the Philippines, I've never been visit to the museum.
Okay.
Ang ganda talaga pag magbalik tanaw ka sa history ng mga kanunuan natin. Ken, your phone ringing, I think.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Is there anywhere to cross there?
No, probably not. No.
Oh, wow. Ganda.
I don't know. We'll have to talk about it more. What Danny Shirley say?
She just said I'm better off going out there in the day. She said get Dad to meet you at the front, walk out the front, meet you out there.
Oh yeah.
Or,
Yeah.
yeah, that's what she said. And I know Wanneroo Road quite well. I know where Wanneroo Road is, and I know the Kingsway Caravan Park because I've stayed there myself. There was black sand on the ground, and that's about 20 or 30 years ago. But I caught a taxi out there, but I don't think they've got.
Yan yung pang nila. Ginagamit nilang barko panguha ng isda. Ayan pa, oh.
Yeah.
Tapos dito. Ayan, oh, maraming isda dito. Picture isda lang siya. Ayan, oh, mga isda. Kay Maritime Museum to dito sa loob, eh.
I'd say that's why it's called
Tanya, it's nice in here.
Kingsley. I'd say that's why it's Kingsway because the road is
Ang
Kingsway
ganda.
off Wanneroo Road.
Wow!
The main road is Kingsway off Wanneroo Road.
Talagang pang fishing.
Kingsway because it's on Kingsway.
You know?
right?
Yun yung mga guys. Ayan.
Okay.
Aha.
I forgot completely that won't be a problem. I can
Okay.
Caravan Park.
Yeah.
But you'll have to meet me there.
Yeah, sure.
If it's a busy road, I'll need to get across the road. If there's no walkway or anything like that,
We walk here.
get across the road.
No, you'd have to get off somewhere right to the Wanneroo Road because you don't want to be crossing the road.
Okay.
You don't want to be crossing the road at all.
No. Can you meet me at the bus stop and you cut in your
Yes, we can.
Oh, we can probably meet you there somewhere. Yeah. When do you want to go there? Sunday.
Tomorrow.
Sunday tomorrow. Sunday I'm
Oh, haha.
So when you
Ang ganda dito.
I've got to ring up Transport first, I'm sure, to find out what number bus. It can't see any problem because we've got a new bus. Send round the bus and you run straight to CBD.
Ayan.
I'll come out there tomorrow, bring my mobile with me, and I'll ring you once I get to the bus stop opposite
Oh,
the
wow.
Kingsway, Caraway Park, and you'll have to pick me up from there and I'll meet me at the bus stop.
well, we'd have to meet you on the highway, on the Wanneroo Road, I think, because I don't think the bus is going to
Crossing
go
the
on
bar.
Kingsway. I think it's going to go just
Oh,
on
ito pa
Wanneroo
oh.
Road.
Definitely
Building a wooden boat.
I don't know whether it goes to, I think it does go to Wanneroo because I've
If
stayed.
you
It probably
want to
goes
come
Wanneroo.
here,
Anyway, when
guys,
you ring the Transport,
don't miss
ask them,
this area.
if there's a
Visit
bus
this
stop
area
close to
when
Hepburn
you visit
Avenue.
here in Western Australia.
Hepburn Avenue.
Yeah,
This is
Hepburn
the
Avenue's
Maritime
across the
Museum.
road. What?
This is Maritime Museum in Perth. Bisitahin nyo to mga guys. Maganda siya dito, maganda. Ito. Ayan. Wow.